Hi there, so for today I'm going to be installing a magnetic fireplace cover. This has a metal frame on it, so it should be able to stick to it. And this is the 36 by 32 inch. There's different sizes, so if we measured correctly, this should just be able to slip right on. It basically has magnets along it to help it stick directly to it. It's got like an insulated piece on the outside, and it's got like a fabric stitched on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead, and it should just stick directly to it, and I'll just bring it down like that. And with it becoming winter and we're not going to be using this, this is a great way to try to keep heat inside your house if you're not using the fireplace. And that's really all it is. And you can see, again, like I said, magnetic, and it just sticks itself right to it. So there you go. In fact, I might be able to even, yeah, I can actually kind of fold it around the outside here because this is a little big, but I can actually use those magnets on the other side. So I can even give it just a little bit better connection. But you can see it just basically sticks itself to it, and that's all there is. So if you need to do this, and I think it's a great idea, you can go ahead and stop those drafts over the winter.